Hi guys, I'm Miro. On this part we are going to take a quick look at margin and padding attributes. So at first let's take a look at margin property. Margin defines the distance between the border of the current control and the container. Let's take a look at simple example. Here is a screenshot from XAML Designer. The margins are 30, 10, 5 and 40. The margin values are applied clockwise from the control left side. So the left margin is 30, up is 10, right is 5 and bottom is 40. There are two ways of defining the margin value. For this I will switch to the Visual Studio so we can observe the changes. So you have already seen the first way. It's also good to know that these commas are not mandatory. The second way is to define only one value, and this value will be applied to all sides. I will use for example 20. And the margin of each side will be 20 as well. And the last option is to define two values. The first value will be applied to left and right side, and the second will be applied to the up and down side of the control. And this example is 20 of the left, 20 right, and 10 up and 10 bottom. And that's all for margin. Now to the padding attribute. Padding defines the distance between the control border and control content. Here is a button in canvas container. The padding is 40, 10, 0, 20 and is applied in the same way as margin, clockwise starting from the control left side. There are three ways to set this attribute as well, so I will switch to the Visual Studio. You can set all four values to where the first one will be applied to the left and right side and the second to up and down side, and only one value which will be used for all sides of the control. And that's all for margin and padding. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it on your social media, leave a comment if you have anything to say, and see you in the next video.